How to send a HelloFresh gift to someone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send a HelloFresh gift to someone special using the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, from the bottom menu, you can just tap on account or menu icon and then look for the option labeled as gifts or gift cards. And there you can simply select the type of gift that you want to send. It could be a specific number of meals, subscriptions, or a gift card amount. So there simply type in a recipient name, email address, and a personal message if you want to make it extra special. And after that, you simply have to review your gift details and then choose your payment method and then just tap purchase or send gift, and the recipient will receive an email with instruction on how to redeem it. And that's it. That's how you can send a HelloFresh gift to someone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.